little bit of that right rudder. Slide this thing right on back over to center line.
Go 918 hotel, left down.
Here at 70. There we go. Oh, butter. Margarine type butter.
Well, hey folks, what's going on is some buddies of mine asked me to do some lettering on some valve covers for a J3. I got them done, brought the valve covers back to them, they paid me for the work, and then in installing them, the paint had gotten smeared. So, I'm headed back out, now that they're on the airplane, to go fix the paint work that I did. And I was planning to drive out there, and then Mike goes, well, I was going to go fly on Thursday anyway, let's go. So we're now flying out to do some last-minute paint repair on an airplane before it goes home to its owner.
Lowland. Just a group of friends having big adventures in small airplanes. Sharing some of the fun and lessons we learn along the way.
What runway do we want to use? It looks like it's pretty calm.
Mark Scott hates 7.
Oh, departing on 7, you mean?
He just doesn't like the options, you know, if something goes wrong.
Yeah, that's fair. Head over traffic. Silver Camp is departing runway 25. We'll be right across the departure to the river and to westbound. Head over traffic. All right.
The gross weight takeoff.
Those tires still have a little bit of that.
Oh, I hate those tires. They're coming off in about a month. Another set, which probably goes whoop, 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 whoop. Nice coordinated turn there. I like that.
With that rudder tab, I'm having to relearn how to fly this thing.
I am too. Yeah, you haven't been in here. I wanted to get your opinion of the rudder tab.
Federal traffic. Silver Camp is south bank of the Columbia River, turning westbound. Last call, head for traffic. Hopefully this is only going to take like an hour, but it's tedious work, so.
I have, for the most part, learned to let go of your time estimates. I brought a sleeping bag.
I deserve that. Yep. You know that island right there underneath us?
Yeah, what is that island?
I don't know, but that's where I proposed to Alex.
What?
Yeah.
You know, it's a good thing your mom doesn't watch this channel, or she would end up knowing you proposed to your girlfriend.
No. Actually, I don't think my mom does watch this channel. Because like the first episode got done, and first thing she does is go, "You're not very funny. You need to be funnier."
Oh my God, your mom said that.
Yeah, she's just like, you know, it was a little boring. I think more people would like it if you were funnier. You guys should be like telling jokes about like
we need to do a whole episode just for your mom, where we tell like really, where we tell our finest knock jokes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that fog bank. I get so excited. And look at Rooster Rock in front of the fog bank.
It's
like,
so pretty.
It's like Mordor lives there. See if there's any Japanese tourists waving at us from the top of Rooster Rock.
Thing is, like I've climbed Rooster Rock, and every time I like look out, there's one little observation corner, and I look down the river both ways. I'm like, are there any airplanes coming? Like I want to wave at people.
And I have never seen a rooster.
Right?
I mean, I'm like, if I want my money back with interest.
Yeah. But yeah, I think actually isn't this Beacon Rock?
Oh, you're right. That's why I haven't seen.
Yeah.
It's really rare to see a rooster on Beacon Rock.
Yeah. This looks, right?
I love this.
It looks like we're doing.
This looks like we're doing a hard IFR or something.
Like we're VFR on top in like some treacherous mountainous terrain in the Rockies, and we're like, I don't know, maybe 1,800 feet. We're about 1,500 feet off the highway.
There's the highway. If we needed to put it down, right? You know,
literally, we could just duck up close to the hillside.
On top of that 18-wheeler. I've seen it done in air shows.
Yeah. I just want to see if we can get close enough to get out of the sun.
We should have taken the door off today.
It's cold enough, I think we would both be uncomfortable.
Well, you haven't seen what this heater can do, and it's on.
Oh. My left foot is on fire.
I know, and that's off. I know. So, this is
you won't
awesome,
believe what
Lars.
happens if we turn it on.
This is like, hold on. I'm just
going to fly.
Fly, because this is a little bit,
Yeah, I cannot be hands off right here, right now. No way to say that. That's what I wanted. I wanted to get down here in the shade. Oh, look how clear the water is. You can see everything down there.
I know, it looks like the Caribbean.
That's so cool.
Look at this view on the right with the sandbar and the...
Go 909 Hotel, final 250.
And Crown Point.
This is why we fly small airplanes.
Look at look at all those cows like laying on their backs doing yoga.
Stargazer traffic, Silver Champs crossing overhead, midfield, left traffic, Stargazer. Oh, look at that runway.
Don't see any.
It's so beautiful and green
golf
right
carts.
now.
Don't see any.
I don't see any airplanes.
Barbie?
Yes, please.
Yes, you can 3-point this.
338 left base, runway 250.
Remember when this strip used to freak me out? Now I'm like, it's just strip.
Oh, it's just Stargazer. Mixture's full rich. Carb's hot, mags on both. My seatbelt's secured. Your seatbelt secured? Sure. All right. I mean, I don't know why you would have taken it off, but... Little left rudder to keep it coordinated. Little nose down, I'm a little slow.
Well, you're 70 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're a little... Yeah, I was faster than I thought I was.
Pro traffic, Mooney's turning left base, 25, full stop, growth.
A little bit of that right rudder. Slide this thing right on back over to center line.
Grove 909 Hotel, left down,
And you're at 70. There we go.
Floating a little bit.
Oh, butter. Margarine type butter.
Can we taxi all the way up to the hangar?
Taxiing like we own this place.
Yeah.
Bumpy.
Yeah. The guys are not expecting me until tomorrow.
Oh, so you're a day early.
Yeah, I'm a day early.
Maybe they're not here.
I see two cars that it would imply that they are.
Bunch of vehicles.
Yeah.
And just kill it with mags, it'll works again.
Okay. Brakes. We'll be stopped before we get to the... Cool. Cool.
Those guys are really cool. They're really into airplanes. Don't know if you
it's kind
noticed.
of a bunch of nerds. See, it's still fighting you a little bit too.
It fought me a little.
Yeah, all right.
All right, seatbelt secure?
My seatbelt is secured.
Doors locked?
Sure.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna do a little short field takeoff, even though the field's not that short.
All right, sounds good to me. Temptation for me to be like on the stick and helping when it's not that kind of a flight today.
Hold on, I can't hear you.
All right.
Gonna go downriver.
I think that's a good plan. There you go. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you the whole time, yeah. Somebody having a little picnic or something right out there. Yeah. I'm gonna monologue a couple more intro takes for this
go ahead.
video.
I'm just gonna fly this
Cancel long traffic, 9-0 hotel is being
Right now, Mike is flying me home from
traffic, 645.
Hey folks, welcome to Red 7 to low lead. Right now, Mike's flying me home from right now, Mike is flying me home from
traffic, 645, Fox, that's okay, from 117,
we just went out there so I could do some paint work on a J-3 Cub Hey folks, welcome to episode 9 of Low Lead. Right now.
traffic, right up 940 hotel is 2 miles northeast.
Bye. No, I'm sorry, I will see
the board on the north at 1,000 score.
And that is why I've decided to give up flying. Oh man, the battery just ran out of my ANR. That's it. I'm coming out. I can't take it.
I think we should declare.
I think we should declare.
Mark Scott and I do.
Just leave me here on the gravel bar. I might be able to try and go swimming and find my car keys that I lost back in
Oh yeah, that's good. They have one of those things.
They're just between the gravel bar and that dock down there on the left. The base of whatever that rock is called. Beacon Rock?
Chicken rock? Oh.
Yeah, the one with the roosters.
Oh, started to go. No. That was my car keys.